Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll teach you. This video is about what to do with tailings of narrow ribbon. If you have two pieces of 1 cm wide by 60 cm long ribbon, then you can easily make such flower. To make first loop petal, we need 1 cm wide by 9 cm long piece of ribbon. From second piece with the same size, make a half bow. We'll need 6 such petals. Glue together two different petals. We get such simple petals. Make flower from these 6 petals. Plus, fix inside petals using hot glue. Choose an embellishment for the center and fix it with polymer glue. For this flower you can take different base. It can be a ponytail holder, a clip or a headband. And what about you? Do you use ribbons, tailings, or you just throw them out? Thank you for watching the video. For your likes and comments, I wish you many successes. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next video. Bye bye!